Eruption of the Stromboli volcano continues. A narrow stream of lava is flowing from the summit of the volcano down toward the sea. As you can see, it breaks down easily, so it's not very, runny like what we see in the Hawaii or Iceland. It's a lava which has some silica, probably around 50 to 60% silica content. So that's practically a sticky lava. It doesn't completely crumble or pulverize. When you look at it in the beach, that's what you will see. These are the pumice, as you can see. Lots of air bubbles in these little rocks. And these are volcanic lapilli, as we call them. Thermal signature of this volcano is also nicely visible. As you can see, a stream of lava flowing out like a tongue of the, hot dragon, something like that. And yeah, again, thermal signature, very clearly visible. This volcano will continue like that if it just wants to erupt like this. It doesn't use much energy or much, pressure.